Yummy! This rice is so delicious!
Oh, Benny. Do you know how much hard work is hidden inside just one grain of rice?
Really? Just one tiny grain? Come with Benny. I'll show you my amazing journey. You can talk?
Go, Benny! Whoa! It's time to discover the true value of rice.
I'm coming!
Every bowl of rice begins its life in a peaceful village. Another beautiful day. Let's grow food for everyone.
Wow, this looks really hard.
It takes patience and strength.
Whoa! Splash!
Haha, farming isn't as easy as it looks.
Each little plant needs gentle hands.
So every plant is placed one by one?
Yes, with love and care.
When we work together, I want to help too. Every job becomes easier.
But growing rice is only just beginning. Soon, the farmers will face one of nature's greatest challenges.
Uh-oh. Why did it suddenly get so dark?
The rain is coming.
Nature decides the farmer's schedule.
Why don't we wait until tomorrow?
If we stop now, these tiny plants may not survive.
Together we're stronger.
1, 2, pass!
I can help too.
After every storm comes hope.
It's so beautiful. It's so hot.
The rice still needs us.
Many small hands can do great things.
We can do it.
If the water stops,
The rice gets thirsty.
exactly. With patience, sunshine, rain, and loving care, the tiny plants grow stronger every day.
The ducks are helping.
Nature has many little helpers.
Look, it's all golden.
Months of hard work have finally paid off.
And our biggest job is about to begin.
The rice is finally ready. But harvesting every grain before the weather changes will take the whole village working together. Today is Harvest Day!
Hooray! I can't wait!
Cut carefully. Every grain matters.
I'll be gentle. It's too heavy. I'll help. Come on, together!
Hard work brings joyful harvests.
Where are we going?
To the rice mill. Now we'll remove the husk.
So this is how rice becomes ready to cook.
The husk is gently removed, revealing the rice we enjoy at home.
Wow!
Our rice is ready to feed many families.
Now our journey is almost complete.
I'll never look at rice the same way again.
Every grain carries months of love, patience.
Thank you, farmer!
Benny has learned where rice comes from.
I didn't know one tiny grain had such a big story.
Every grain carries a farmer's hope.
One bowl of rice is the result of many months of love, patience, teamwork, and care. If you learned something today, share this story with your family and friends. Together, let's respect every grain of rice.